Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about a resource group. What is resource group? Resource group is a container in the Azure portal. I would say like a folder in the Windows, like how we will be copying, dumping files in the Windows folder. Same way in the resource group folder, in the resource group, we can create our respective resources in the Azure portal. Like after creating the resource group, we can navigate into the resource group. You can create any resources. I can quickly go through the Windows, the Azure portal as well. See, this is a Azure portal. This is a global search. We can search on any Azure services like virtual machines, anything you can search it here. The the extreme right, if you see you can your user profiles, you can able to view. This is a notification. Say for example, if I'm creating any activity, if I'm doing anything, you will get a notification here. Say for example, anything. This is settings bar. And if you want to go to the dashboard, if I click in the three bar here, go to dashboard, and there's nothing here. So you can't able to see anything under here. So I can go to here, home. If I click, if I click more services, you can navigate into these many categories like compute services, analytic services, containers, databases, like that. There are n number of services available in the Azure. If I want to go to the networking services, security services, if I navigate to the networking, these many services available in the networking. Same way like DNS zones, bastion services. Likewise, if I click to the security services, there are so many. So likewise, we can able to navigate to the Azure portal. Okay. So today, anyway, I'm going to show you how to create a resource group in the Azure portal. For that, I may go to the global search. Here, I will be typing the resource groups. It will open the new wizard. Here, I will go and I will click create. In the first option, I have to select my subscription. For my case, I have only one subscription, so it is showing only one. I'm just selecting one. It is asking for the resource group. I will give you some sample resource group. I will put as a test underscore RG. It is asking for the region. Generally, you want to which region you are going to create a resources. You can select the particular region. For the testing purpose, I will go with the East US. Then next, it is asking for the tags. Using tags, we can do a number of things in the Azure portal, but as of now, I will be leaving as it is. So I will go to the next. Here it is a review and create. Before creating it, we need to review the things. That's how it is showing us a review and create. No need to change anything here. So I will go and click create. See here, once I just click create, you will get the notification here in the notification tab. So resource group is created. So if I want to verify, can I go? I can go to the taskbar, sorry, dashboard. I can go to the home button. I can go. You can see all. You can go to the Azure subscription. I will go, but instead of that, doing that, I will go to the simply go to the global in the global search resource group. You can see the resource group which I created here. I thought to show you on the different way, but this is the simplest way to go and search in the whatever the uh, you are creating in the Azure portal. You can go in the simplest way using the global search. So this is how we can create the resource group. Thank you guys. We'll see you on the next lessons. Bye.